How to link to another part of the document in Google Docs. So the easy way of doing this is by using bookmarks. And what's cool about bookmarks is that you can use them pretty much anywhere you want. And you can bookmark any part and link to a bookmark anywhere in the document, even a blank space. So to create a bookmark, what you have to do is first determine where you want the bookmark to take you. So let's say we want the bookmark to take us to this place right here. What you want to do is select the sentence, go to Insert, Bookmark, and here you've added the bookmark. And now just select the area that you want the link to be at. I want to select this sentence. Now, what this means is that every time I click on this sentence, it's going to take me down to the bookmark. So what you want to do is select this sentence, right click and insert link, and select the text that we've bookmarked here. Now let me show you how it works. Let's click this, and it's going to take us to the bookmarked place. And that's how to link to another part of the document in Google Docs.